Hey, good afternoon. This is Michael with 1-800-Doorbell, a Lord Henry Enterprises company. Just going to shoot a quick video here to show you how simple it is to install the RC3250, which is really the main staple of the Carlon wireless door chime product line. I'm going to be sending more videos out here in the next few days covering some more detailed topics, but this is just a basic installation. You can see the product ships with two components. One is the doorbell transmitter. Most people refer to it as the push button. And one is the receiver. In this case, it's a plug-in receiver that plugs into a standard wall outlet. I'm going to quickly just plug this into the wall to kind of give you an idea. Plugging it to a standard wall outlet. Pretending this was mounted on an outside door. You'll notice on the back the front cover pops off. You insert the screws through here and then pop the front cover back on. Someone pushes the button. So that's the melody chosen by the user on this transmitter. And you'll notice this protruding pimple at the top. That's where you change the tune. Give it a simple push. And that cycles to the next tune. Want to go to the next tune? So again, that cycles through the tunes. The reason you would do that is if you want to tell what's being played at the front door versus the back door. That's how you would set it. Tomorrow we're going to go over the privacy codes and how to install batteries on this product and give you some other tips on using this product. So again, sorry for the poor quality of this video, but we just wanted to get something up on the site so that people could use it to make some good decisions. Thanks.